if you're changing primary care doctors every year or two and you don't have that relationship, I think it would be difficult or more difficult for primary care doctors to look at you and say, "Oh, I know Susie. This she's this like obviously this is related to this or related to that." So I think I think that's the unfortunate part, and I think for the people who can keep a primary care doctor for long stretches, I think that's really an added benefit because not only are you getting the medical expertise that you need when you need it, but you're also getting the reassurance when there is nothing serious to worry about. So you have someone that will calm your nerves and say, hey, don't worry about that. That doesn't sound like it's going to be serious. So as you search for a primary care doctor, just understand it's not just a service you're getting that could just be easily exchanged with another person the next day, potentially. But if you want that reassurance and that sort of connection, yeah, you're going to have to find a primary care doctor that you can see for a very long time. And the more of a relationship you develop, the more they're going to understand you and also help you make decisions when there's a tough call. Sometimes when there's a tough call to be made, the fact that your physician knows you can help determine what direction he or she recommends you go. Certainly, I know in my career, there have been times where knowing my patient allowed me to decide to, maybe go ahead and, do a biopsy because the not knowing would be a big part of this patient's psyche and would provide some comfort that, simply observing might not if that issue was on the fence. So understanding your patient only comes from time and having a relationship. So when you pick a primary care doctor, you're not just picking them for their medical expertise. You're picking them for their ability to get to know you, understand you, and help you navigate your healthcare.